everyone, Marissa Dubois here, full-time voiceover artist and singing coach. And welcome to this brand new series, Singing Tips for Voiceover Artists. If you've ever thought, I don't know how to sing, I'm tone deaf, what is a vocal range? How do I extend my vocal range? As a voiceover artist, why should I care about knowing how to sing? Well, if any of these questions or others have popped into your head, I'm here to tell you you're in the right place. So thank you so much for joining me, and I am excited to tell you more. Let's go ahead and dive right in. So the very first thing I want to go over with you today is what I like to call the zones of our voice. We have 3 of them. We have our chest voice, we have our mixed voice, and our head voice. Now, our chest voice is probably where you speak, depending on your natural vocal range. You're gonna feel a lot of resonance in the chest and a lot of vibrations happening here. If you put your hand here and you just talk casually, that's probably your chest voice. Next up, we have our mixed voice. And this is a great place to tap into, not only for singing, but for character work.
So the mixed voice generally is gonna be a little higher. Now, some people naturally talk up here, and that is them talking in their mixed voice. And lastly, we have our head voice, which is really high and has a lot of air coming through. And these 3 zones are really important to know. And in doing vocal training, we're gonna strengthen all 3 of these zones so that you can really expand your range, not only for character work, but for singing work as well. So be sure to check out the next video for how to strengthen each of those zones. And this is when we're gonna get into some of those singing exercises. So thank you, and I will see you soon.